Welcome pre-cal students to class today on this Wednesday, the 4th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to take a test today. Let's quickly look at some announcements. I will try to go very quickly so that most of your class time will be reserved for your test. First of all, there will be a quiz next week sometime, more than likely. Number two, turn in your review sheet. Make sure your name is on it, please. Check right now and make sure your name is on it. If you did not do the entire review sheet, please do not turn it in. Incompletes. I don't have that list pulled up. I'll try to do that very quickly here. Hold on one second. Okay, incompletes, pre-cal. Let's see here. Here we go. Joel Westbrook's assignment here, Joel's assignment here, and Joel is here. It must be turned in by Friday. So if you're going on the Honor Society trip, Jonah, it's got to be turned in by Friday, guys. So, or it's zeros. Sorry about that, but I've been announced that now for a couple days. So, okay, if you are absent, it's your job to go to this website here and watch the video, type in the date that you missed, and get caught up. If you don't do that, and we're taking a test or a quiz when you come back, you will take the test or quiz, okay? Moving on, we're going to take chapter test 9 today. Now, before we go over your test, let's address the issue of time, okay? First of all, the last time we took this test, some of you did not finish, and you wanted to come back the next day and finish it. So, let me say this right now. If you're going on the Honor Society trip and you're leaving, I think it's maybe after a 6th period, if you're leaving in such a way that you cannot get the test finished today, then don't start it. Okay? Do not start it. So that's number one. If you start the test, you're finishing it today, period. If you don't, you made that choice to start it, okay? Number two, if you're not going on the Honor Society trip and you start the test today, you must finish it before you leave. Now, think about study halls, other classes, but that's how it has to be, okay? So the only people that can take, now if you're going on the Honor Society trip and you do not take the test because you're fearful that you won't be able to finish it later on during the day, you must take it Monday, no questions asked, unless you're absent. If you're there Monday, you're taking it, period, and you're going to have to watch the video that you miss for Monday's class period. You have to watch it later on your own time, okay? Now, if you're not going on the Honor Society trip, you're going to have to find a way to finish the test today, okay? I don't know what else to say about that, guys. Lunch will work, just something like that. All right, now let's go ahead and go over your test. So Miss Gallen, go ahead and pause the video, pass out the test, and as soon as everyone has the test on their desk, then restart the video. Okay, number one, I want you to type that absolute value into your equation, and I want you to look at the graph and tell me if the function has an inverse graph. If you have forgotten where the absolute value thing is on your calculator, you want to hit math and then scroll over to numbers, and then you'll see absolute values option 1. Once again, you want to push the math button, then scroll over to numbers, and then option number 1 is absolute values. Number 2, use composition of functions to show whether or not these functions are inverses of each other. And by the way, they might not be. So if they're not, then that's fine. Number 3, find the inverse for that function. Number 4, tell me the right hand and left hand behavior of that graph. Number 5, I want you to find all the real zeros for those two functions. Find the real zeros or the x-intercepts. Same thing. Number 7, write a polynomial function that has those 3 zeros, okay? Number 8, I want you to graph that on a separate sheet of paper. Now, I don't want you just typing that into your graphing calculator. I want to see a table of values. You need to make sure you really give me some information on that, okay? Numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let me go back. Sorry for yawning, guys. Let me go back to number 8, okay? When I say information, I would like you to explain to me the left and right hand behavior, I would like you to show me how you got the zeros, the x-intercepts, if there's any multiplicity, just stuff like that. Okay, number 9 is a directly proportional word problem. Number 10 is a directly proportional word problem. Numbers 11 and 12, you're just writing the model. That's all you're doing is writing the model. And then number 13, just answering that question, okay? Kind of an interesting question if you think about it. Number 13 is not that hard if you just stop and think about it, okay? And that's it, guys. Go ahead and get started on your test. I hope you do well. Contact me if you have any questions at all.